Pirkanmaan Virtualan region in Finland. This is amazing. Staircase A, and on the building 2, staircase A. We also have the staircases B and C to film here. We can get to them as they are connected to, and it's built in 1963 actually. The serial number is H11674. So this has to be a late 1963.
Yeah.
Obviously in 1964. And the ticket is D, E and F, early 1964.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. It looked very much like early 1964.
Yeah.
And it's confirmed because this is 1963.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in 2022. As these 3 portions of the report terms. I think we can go to the next ticket B because in
Yeah.
ticket A someone is there.
Yeah. Inspected by Kivais, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I think someone is still on the floor one. Or is
No basement. So let's take Ante right because he's now in the basement.
Strange situation.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And we had to come here.
Yeah.
But we can still try something also in the other buildings.
Yeah.
But quickly, we don't have so much time. So we can try later. Maybe something is open.
Yeah.
We haven't tried it yet. We have only tried these
Yeah.
in this area. He's still there.
That's